Okay, guys, we are driving. This one got McDonald's. Yay!
With that torch, be careful because
Yeah.
the cops and that you're not allowed to.
Yeah, I know.
So just get ready to.
Yeah, I'm just This is
They're all
something.
flying off, are they?
No, they're still settling down, guys.
Over my side.
Look, guys. You see it? All these seagulls. They're like everywhere. I'll pull up the lighter boat, but they're like. How about
Look at them all, because they're down here. They're
Look at these guys!
What's going on?
What the flippin' hell?
What the hell?
What the hell is it like?
Oh!
Seagullgettin! Seagullgettin! Does this happen every night? Does this happen every night or what?
Look at all over. I'm going to get attacked.
Guys, I know what I should be doing. Can you see this? Can you see this? I'm freaking out. But this. I mean, look!
Oh, God, here we go. I can't even drive. No way.
Why is it just... It's, oh, they're all down there! They're all flipping down there!
No.
I think they pooped all down there! Big pathways covered in white poop!
That's something out of that movie, The Birds. My God. Look at them all.
And then look! Oh boy, look! Listen to Bob!
For God's sake.
The pathway is literally covered in white poop!
The rabbits are thinking, what the hell?
I'm thinking, what the hell?
Oh, turn your torch off. Oh,
It is off!
holy crap.
It is-
Oh.
What the?
Something's going on.
Look at Cheesy, Bob!
That's not a good sign, is it?
This is seagullgettin. This is crazy. Look! It's still at it! Has anyone...
I want to get on the other lane.
You do, you don't want to be pooped on. We literally just went to get McDonald's.
No.
This is crazy, people. Absolute crazy.
Bloody oath, eh? That's like I've never seen nothing like that before, ever.
Oh my guys, have you ever seen something? Is this normal and bird? The pathway! I saw a guy go the path where the hospital is. I was covered in white poop. Literally covered in white poop.
Wow, now which is one? This one. Oh, shut. Oh, God.
No, maybe it's just there until you pay. Just ask.
Oh.
But if you ever see ever like it, please let me know. Please, 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 please. It would be just weird. Okay, we're gonna go. Talk to you guys.